Ready?
Yep.
Let's go. Halfway up. No, it's gotta go low. It's gotta go more than that. I'm gonna. Well, you stick that like needle.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen that. I've seen those. Why? Have you tried it?
I bought one of those kits, but I haven't caught a fish to try it.
So today we're gonna catch a fish here in Greens Lake.
Hopefully we can catch 2 and then try one, harvesting one without it, and then harvesting one.
Yeah, you know what? That's a good idea. Greens Lake. This is where we're at. First boat trip of 2023, so last time we were here, we were catching reds, trout, but that was in the middle of the summer, so we're still in March. It's transition phase. Spring. Still cold in the morning, about 50s. And about high noon, it's up in the lower to mid 70s, so hopefully we'll catch something. You know what? Let me look right now. We are fishing an incoming tide. We're at dead tide right now.
I want to say on the naughty tide, I want to say that it showed like the highest fish activity between like 10 and 12.
So we're at the bottom of low right now. So
it's about to start incoming.
It's about to start incoming tide.
Oh, that's good. What's the depth?
2 feet. Gotta get close to shore. That's where they're at, right along the grass. Well, we can't make too much noise though. Right behind the horn, crossing the mize. Is the color change because it's deeper? Right? So this should be hanging out in the deep. It has to be because this is moving water. Fish on. Fish on. You know what? I was just talking about that. I didn't even see my cork, man. I didn't know where it was. I was like, you know what? Let me set the hook. Yeah, that's deep water right there. Just let your cork float. What can this be? Oh, it's a little potato chip.
Tater chip.
It's a tater chip. All right, guys, we got our first fish of 2023. You know what? It's a flounder. It's a nice little flounder. Look at that. Wow. wasn't even paying attention to the cork. It was just floating. We're just talking about the depth in that little channel right there. Just let it float. We'll catch something. So good one. We got a cool little fishy, man. Take a snap for the gram and let you go, man. And first fish of 2023, and it's a flounder. I'm gonna let you go, man. Thanks for the little fight, man. He just fucked everything up. You didn't have to go that fast, bro. I mean, yeah. All right, guys, so that's pretty much the end of the video. You know, Fred and I, we fished that spot for another 15, 20 minutes, and we didn't get any other bites. I mean, after the 2 flounder that, you know, he caught and I caught, and when the boat blasted through the area that we were fishing, the bite was just died. You know, or it could be, hey, you know, the fish weren't there, but I'm gonna pretty much say it's because of that noise and because of all the wake, and it just wrecked our fishing. But I'm just gonna keep it positive. You know, we moved to another spot. It was incoming tide. We started fishing the grass line closer to the shoreline, and we saw some rat reds. You know, nothing to really brag about. I mean, we didn't catch them at all. But other than that, I mean, I wanted to continue to say, just be positive. You know, folks will just behave like how they behave. You know, it's out of your control. You know, you just kind of it's just fishing. Just enjoy the day. So I hope you guys like this video. I'm going to be posting a little bit more this year. So hope you guys enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.